My very first memories with Keren Hayesod go back 25, 26 years ago when I came on a Yachdav mission to Israel with a group of over 300 teenagers, maybe a few years older than me, from all over the world. It was my first experience to see what Keren Hayesod was about. We saw the projects. I remember we went to an army base, we met with the soldiers. But it was my first time that I saw the importance of the activities of Keren Hayesod. And from that mission on, from that Yachdav on, I was completely hooked into the organization. Following that, I became chairman of the campaign, of the local campaign in Rome. I run a series of activities, and I started to get involved internationally with Keren Hayesod. I started coming to the meetings in Israel on a regular basis. Keren Hayesod is for me the bridge between, myself with my family living in Italy today and Eretz Israel and Am Yisrael. It is my opportunity, my tool to give to this country that I love, that I think is clearly the center of all Jews from all over the world. Israel is where it all happened. There's no other place. For the Jewish people, where did it all happen? It all started here. If we go back 5,000 years, Israel is a place where we cherish the present of the Jewish people, and we invest in the future of the Jewish people. And how do I do it? I do it through Keren Hayesod. I have to admit that Keren Hayesod is probably the most enriching experience that I did throughout my entire life. My dream as a mother and as a Jewish mother and as a Keren Hayesod leader would be for my 3 daughters to follow in my footsteps, like I followed in my father's footsteps and like he followed in his father's footsteps, to become leaders of this wonderful organization that Keren Hayesod is, and to decide to make their own life and to come and settle it in Israel and continue to be involved with Keren Hayesod for the benefit of Am Yisrael and Eretz Israel, because this will add true meaning to their life. Am Yisrael Chai.